Hello everyone, welcome to Cheenta. So today I will discuss in this short video about the upcoming crash course of IIT MMS and ISIM Stat. Um, uh, Students have asked questions like what is the difference between platinum course and crash course, and in this video I'm going to discuss about what is the difference, what is there in platinum course, what is there not in platinum course, what is there in crash course, what is there not in crash course, and also along with the corresponding weekly plan and why we have made it in this way. There is a very strict proper reasoning behind why we have made this in this way so that the students get the maximum benefit out of their busy schedule to prepare for IIT-MMS and ISIM stat. In this video I will mostly focus on my IIT-MS and also like the till the exam of IIT-MS, and also we will talk about the ISIM stat in a later video, so please stay till the end. So let me tell you about how the what is the difference. So the five main most important aspects of our course are the recorded theory classes, the live revision classes, the assignment problems, the problem sets, and the live problem solving classes based on those problem sets, and the mock tests. These are the five main pillars of our courses. So we have kept the recorded theory classes because many students are the third year students, so we want them to get the maximum benefit out of like the course. There should be more problem solving in the last final year, so the recorded theory classes have been kept, recorded, not live, and this has worked well for the past quite a few batches of the students. So there is recorded theory classes in our recorded version in our classroom. Let me show you the classroom real quick. Till it is being pulled up to the screen, let me tell you the other aspects. So we have live revision classes. There are two live revision classes, one for crash course, one for platinum course. The revision class, the goal of the revision class is to tell you the theory that is being discussed in each and every week. Now, let me now show you that how the courses planned. So every week there is one topic assigned. It has the platinum course has started from February 5th, the week of February 5th, and you can see that till now it's like till here. And from the July 1st, we are starting the standard discrete distribution for the platinum course, and we will talk about the crash course right now. So there is a live revision class that talks about the theory of the corresponding recorded sessions, that tells you the theory, that what the theory involved. So now let me pull up the screen. So let's go to probability, and if you go to classwork, you will see that every week there is one theory class and reading materials. So this is the theory class and reading materials, and there is class 1, class 2, class 3, and the corresponding reading materials you can see here. Based on this, there will be the recorded class, the recorded class, recorded class, and also the live revision class that will happen to help the students recapitulate the ideas of that week. And based on the topic of that week, let's say in this case, it's week lesson 17, axiomatic probability and conditional probability. For this week, there will be an assignment problem. Let's say this one. And in the assignment problem, there are 30 problems, 3 problem sets. Problem set 1, problem set 2. These are combinations of past year IIT, MMS, and ISIM set problems corresponding organized, and problem set 3. Okay, so there will be 3 problem sets. Now, based on these 3 problem sets, we have 3 discussion sessions, 3 live discussion sessions. I have written 5. There's a reason behind that because I'm talking about the platinum crash course together. So 3 live problem sessions based on 3 problem sets. Now from July 1st, there will be the crash course starting. The crash course also have a similar structure. Each week has one topic and a corresponding one revision class. So the crash course is nothing but a squeezed version of the platinum course. The crash course has 22 weeks and the platinum course around 42, 44 weeks. So it's like a halved version. So we are doing sequence and series and the same structure, but the squeezed version. Similarly, there will be one revision class, no recorded theory class will be there in the crash course, 2 problem sets, and corresponding 2 live classes. So this is the entire structure, and from July onwards for the platinum course, which also includes the crash course, there will be 7 classes a week, 1 problem solving for the that platinum course week. For example, let me show you. Let's say from July 1st, there will be a revision class for standard discrete random variables, 3 problem sets on that, and 3 live revision class, live problem solving class based on that, and the corresponding recorded theory and reading materials that I have shown here. Okay. Now, corresponding to that, the crash course will be starting. Now, the goal of the crash course and the platinum course is this. The difference is this: is that many students join late, like June, July, and they say that how can I cover up the mathematics syllabus? And also, people usually find mathematics portion a bit hard because uh, that's the data that we have. So this is a great opportunity for the students who are joining late to take this opportunity to do it at twice the speed of the learning. So you're covering in 8 weeks the 16-week structure, 15 to 16-week structure of mathematics. For example, if you go to the mathematics, there are 15 lessons. Okay, so around 16 lessons. So the half of them. So let me show you. Yeah, here there are 16 lessons. Okay, so the half of it is done in this crash course, twice the speed. You understand that, right? So the structure is same, the the process is same, but it's a quick faster course. But the quick faster course doesn't mean you are learning it at a faster rate. It assumes, the crash course assumes a student is, see, this is you have to be very clear about this. If you're starting late, yeah, it's assumed that your foundations will be better. You cannot start at a later point and say my foundations are weak. So it's assumed that your foundations are better than the starting of the year. So, and that's why the faster thing works. A person can run fast only if the person can walk properly. So it assumes, the crash course assumes that you can walk properly. We will help you run faster. That's the goal. That's the goal of the entire course. Okay. And for the platinum students who are doing the crash course, it's an extremely great opportunity to revise the concepts. And that was the actual goal, to help the platinum students revise the concepts side by side. And like whatever they have done 2 months, 1 month before, they will be revised, or 2, 3 months before, they will be revising now in the crash course. So this is how the learning works. It decays down and we are reviving it again by the crash course. And this will be extremely helpful for the students who are doing the crash course along with the platinum course, because it's like it's a perfect balance. For example, and this is exactly why we have done it. For example, let's say you are doing the mathematics here, and the mathematics ends at like August, mid-August, and then the probability starts. And you can see that when the multinomial, the multivariate calculus, multivariate uh, probability ends, the univariate probability starts. And when the statistics begins, the multivariate and sampling distribution is coming up. So it's a beautiful amalgamation and a balance of what should be done at a proper rate of learning and a proper revision. And as you can see, the estimation theory, when it ends, then the testing starts. When the testing starts in the platinum course, the estimation theory is starting there. Okay, there is an estimation theory spelling wrong here. And then from the entire December to January, the 2 months, there'll be mock test discussions. There'll be 9 mock test discussions. We have 10 mock tests out there, three, one mathematics, one probability, one statistics, and 7 full mock tests. So we'll be discussing this mock test in this entire course, yeah, in a step-by-step manner. That's it. That's the difference between platinum course and crash course. And for the platinum students, there will be 7 classes a week, live classes, 2 revision classes, one for the crash course, which will be starting with mathematics, and one for the platinum course, which is in the middle of the probability. So the students who are asking that, planning to join platinum course and asking, hey, like I have missed out this topic, it's an extremely great opportunity if you can do both the classes in parallel, and that will happen. So I would love to see you in the class. And for crash course students, I believe you have the ability to walk in a proper organized manner. Walking in the sense you know the fundamentals well, because the pace of the course, of the crash course, will be fast. So if your fundamentals are weak, I recommend you to join the platinum course. If you think your fundamentals are medium, mediocre, and you need more problem solving, then crash course. If you need ultra problem solving and recorded revision classes, more revision classes, and more fundamentals, more recorded theory sessions, then platinum course. This is how you select between crash course and platinum course. And feel free to join a trial class session if you are a new student, and see how we actually do problem solving. We do with love, devotion, and care, and I'm sure, and step by step, so that the process is inbuilt in your mind and brain forever, so that you can replicate it. It's scalable in manner in your mind. That is important, because when you see a problem, it should be approached in a step by step manner, not a haphazard manner. And we want to achieve that by solving each and every problem with care and proper guidance. So I would love to see you in the classes soon. Thank you and all the best for your preparation. See you soon. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.